I got this email. You're invited. We decided to play a little game. Ding ding. It's me! I cannot believe that this is really happening, but our flights were just booked, so it's getting real, and I can share with you that we are heading to California for a very exciting brand trip. And I will also preface with this. I'm so excited. If you have any feelings of wanting to share content on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, because you hope to one day go on a certain brand trip, you want to work with particular brands, you want to get paid by certain brands, I want to share with you to not give up, share content consistently, share high quality content, and just know that whatever that goal is, whatever that thing is that you have in mind, it's possible. Okay, so let's get down to it. I need to sit down. 2 months ago, I decided to share consistently content from 2 of our previous trips in 2024 in hopes of them getting shared by greater audiences. And I don't want to be too great because I don't want this to be like this huge mystery or anything. I'm just so excited and I don't know how much I'm allowed to share, so I'm gonna share kind of like the minimum, but you're definitely gonna know what's happening. I've noticed that certain types of my content do really well overall, like consistently does really well. In 2024, I'm just so excited. In 2024, we went on 2 trips to Disneyland in January of 2024 and in August of 2024. I really noticed that on our trips, sharing like the content that I shared, I had such great engagement on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube with likes, shares, comments, people asking questions, people wanting to know our tips and tricks and what our advice was to have the best Disney trip with their family. I also noticed that a ton of people before we went and even when we went, we're like, why would you take your young kids? Like they're never gonna remember. And my overall message with that is even if they don't remember, you are going to remember. This is your journey as a parent as well. For me, this is my motherhood. I only get one shot at this. I only get one experience of this. And I have zero regrets being able to see the look in their eyes when they got to see Minnie Mouse, when they got to go on Mater's Junkyard Jamboree, when they got to explore Cars Land. I will never, ever, ever forget those moments. My husband and I were talking, when we look back at 2024, we were like, those were the best, like our best memories so far as parents have been taking our kids to Disneyland. We went in January and August. In January of this year, so 4 months after our last trip, almost a year after the first trip, when I was looking at my content, what I wanted to share, I made a very conscious decision to consistently keep sharing my Disney content, because from those 2 trips, I had so many photos and videos, so many tips and tricks to share for anyone who wanted to experience a trip like we did. Even though I only went the 2 times, we went 2 times. I did so much research. I watched so many videos, listened to so many podcasts. I read so many books, articles, that we really had such incredible trips because I did so much research and then I had so much to share. My point of this is I made a very conscious effort to share Disney content consistently in hopes of maybe not getting recognized by Disney, but I love the Disney Parks TikTok account. They also have an amazing Instagram account, but they have I think like 13 million followers on their TikTok account, and they share content like content that I share. So I'm like, oh, maybe they'll engage with my content or something like that, because that's just, when you're a content creator, it's amazing to have like the brands that you love and value and appreciate see your content and engage with it. So that's kind of what I had in mind. Pixar commented on one of the TikToks. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so fun. But the moment that I want to share with you, when we were in Hawaii staying at Disney Alani, funny enough, and the day after I bought this sweatshirt from Target in Hawaii, it was $6 in the clearance section because apparently no one in Hawaii wants a sweater of Mickey skiing. I got this email titled, "You're invited, Disneyland International Creator Showcase. Hi Siera." I was like literally waking up seeing this email. "Hi Siera, I'm pleased to invite you to join us at an exclusive creator event at the Disneyland Resort in California. You can expect memorable and magical moments that are just as fun to experience in real life as they look on social media. We're planning an itinerary packed full of content gathering opportunities, including our newest attraction, Tiana's Bayou Adventure, the Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival, and a look ahead to Disneyland's 70th anniversary celebration. We cannot wait to share these special, unforgettable experiences with you and your followers." So I got this far in the email and I already was like, okay, I need to book my hotel. I gotta book my flight. Like, here we go. I'm going. I've got to do this. Thinking it's just gonna be just me. We provided with theme park tickets, a 4-night stay at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, flights, dining, and more. Not only do I get to go, I get to take my 6-year-old daughter, Lily, my dad, and my brother. So this for me is just like the pinnacle of what I could have ever wanted from my social media career, to be recognized in any form by Disney and to be invited to Disneyland. I still can't believe it, and I'm so excited to share it with you. And not only that, I'm so excited for you to come along with us. It is going to be so much fun, and so you don't want to miss any of it. So make sure you hit subscribe right now because you're not going to want to miss any of the content. We are going to get such an incredible behind the scenes look. I still cannot even believe it. And I will say as well, if I was watching a creator who got to do this, I would be like, oh my gosh, I would just be so, I would want to know every single detail. So if you have questions, let me know, and I will try to gather as much information as possible. I also want to know from Disney and from the PR, the marketing team, like what was it about me and my content that they decided to invite me? So if there are any tips that I can gather on how one gets invited to this, I will definitely let you know. But what I just feel like it's not a coincidence, in my opinion, that I started sharing my Disney content very consistently and in a way that I knew would be helpful in terms of tips and tricks, inspiring for people to take their young kids. I really made an effort in January, and here we are in March. So I just don't think it's a coincidence that I started doing that. It was not an accident, and I don't think it was a coincidence that I've now been invited, but I will keep you updated on all of that if they give me like, yes, we wanted to invite you because we loved your TikTok stuff. But until then, let's get back to dance rehearsals, making lunches, and all the other fun family stuff that we get up to. I still can't believe it. I better get packing. I'm starting the packing process. So exciting. You know that I'm getting ready for a trip when I bring out my carry-on. This is the base front pocket carry-on. I think it's still sold out. It might still be on Anthropologie's website. That's where I got mine. And what's so great about the front pocket is when you have your laptop in here, it's so easy to get it in and out when you're going through security. I have traveled a ton, and this base carry-on is the best carry-on I've ever used. It has the like cushiony handle. I actually should invest in some of the full-size suitcases, but I'm gonna show you some of the things that I am bringing to Disneyland. I don't know if I'm gonna bring these ones, but I ordered them because they're on sale. These are the witch from Snow White, and I ordered them because I want them for Oogie Boogie Bash when we will probably 100% go this year. If you don't know what Oogie Boogie Bash is, I will put the vlog below. You have to check it out. It is basically a Halloween party at DCA, Disney's California Adventure Park. They bring out the villains, so if you love Disney villains. And then in opposition, which I will bring on this trip, the OG Disney princess, Snow White. With probably this dress. I wore this dress when we went to Disney in August. Obviously it's a little bit cooler now. It was like 35 degrees Celsius when I would have worn this. One of the things I really want to find when we're there this time is the new Spirit jersey. It's the Disney Princess Spirit jersey. It was just released. It's probably sold out, but I hope that I can get my hands on it. I ordered my dad and brother a couple of things because you've got to have some official Disney merch if you're going to be going to Disney. Some other things that I'm bringing, I will probably be wearing this with this aloe skirt. I wore a bunch of my aloe skirts when we went in January last year with like long sleeve tops, so I thought this would be a really cute one. Why these were awesome is because they're super comfortable. It's athleisure, but you still look cute, you know? You want to look cute. I'll probably do this one together maybe, or wear this one with leggings. This is a Spirit jersey. If you're new to Disney and the love for Disney, these are the Spirit jerseys, this style with the writing on the back. So obviously this one's Disneyland Resort, Walt Disney World has their own. Sometimes it'll say things like Oogie Boogie Bash. I will show you guys the one, the CA Food and Wine Festival, because that's happening, and that's some of what we're covering when we're there. I'm just gonna bring this with a pair of like light denim for maybe our first day. I wore this when we were there in August. I feel like it's maybe a bit too summery, but it might be kind of cute with like a jean jacket or something. And I ordered 2 new pairs of my favorite leggings. I'm wearing them here in green. I ordered a new black pair. They're the Airy leggings. They are the best leggings ever. They were like $40 Canadian. I think I maybe even paid $36.75 because there was like an extra 10% and something else. I'm gonna bring this one as well. Disney Magic Crew. I'm gonna ask Lily what she's packing. I actually haven't shown her these yet, but I ordered her these Stitch ears from the Disney store website. Bryn, I just wanna see you guys.
Say hi.
Hey, are you twins? You look like twins. Here we were heading to a hockey game of one of the sons of one of my dearest friends of 17 years. Funny enough, I actually babysat her first son, who is now 16 years old. I can't even believe it. And then really early in the morning, I was up to get myself and Lily ready for her dance rehearsal. It was like a full dance dress rehearsal where she had to have hair and makeup. We were up at like 6-ish a.m. on Saturday, which obviously isn't super early, but for a Saturday, definitely a little bit early. I told her I would do her makeup while she was laying in bed, and then we did all the spraying of the flyaways, we changed the earrings, and then we went to the dress rehearsal, and it was great. Lily is gonna start packing, but we decided to play a little game where I come into her closet and pick the top things, like say top 8 things that I think she's for sure gonna bring: swimsuit, pajamas, dresses, and then I'm not gonna tell her. She's gonna come in and pick her favorite swimsuits, dresses, pajamas, and we're gonna see if I was right. Okay, so her bathing suits are down here. This is the one she wore at Alani at the like Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique Alani, so I think she may bring that one. I think she for sure is gonna bring this one. It has like a matching skirt. She bought that in Hawaii as well. I think she'll for sure bring this black and white one piece. So for sure this one, the black and white one piece, and maybe maybe the Care Bears one. For pajamas, I think she is for sure gonna bring this. It's a Lilo and Stitch set. We got it at Target in Hawaii for, I think it was like $6 or $10 or something. I think she's for sure gonna bring that. And I think she's for sure gonna bring the Stitch nightgown. I would love for her to bring, she has this beautiful Zimmerman dress and bathing suit. I got these both for her for Christmas because she claimed that she really wanted them. I think this is beautiful. I'd love for her to bring it, but she probably won't. I think she's going to bring this Stitch zip up for the plane. Also got it in Hawaii. It has Angel on it, and this is the zipper pull. So cute. So I think she's gonna bring that. Now, when we look at her dresses and stuff, I think she's gonna bring this. We got this at Disneyland, obviously, when we went the first time in January. She's gonna bring this cardigan, I think, and the leggings that she's wearing. And then, what else is she gonna bring from this stuff? I think she'll bring this white dress. I think she'll bring this. She got that at Alani. I think she'll bring this one. We got this at Disneyland when we went in January 2024. I think she'll bring that. I would love for her to bring this Stitch dress for when it's cooler out, but I don't really think she'll bring that. She just got a new sweater from her friend. Oh, she'll probably bring that for sure. It's like a little quarter zip. Let's see what she says. Let's see if I was right. I showed the camera what bathing suits I thought you were gonna bring. Here's her carry-on. It's one of those scooter ones. It's so fun. Okay, so starting with swimsuits, which ones are you gonna bring? Ding, ding, ding.
You said that I was gonna bring that one.
Yeah, I said that you for sure were gonna bring that one.
This one back.
I love it. Yep. I said you for sure would bring that one. No, I didn't pick that one.
No. What was the other one?
The other one, I said, oh, thanks, Ivor. Ivor's brushing my hair. That's so nice. I said that you would maybe bring the Care Bears.
Mom, get still.
Oh, sit still?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I picked 2 different pajamas that I thought you'd bring. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, it's such a nice teddy bear. Thank you. It's like nerve-wracking. Oh, dang it. I was wrong.
Yay!
I picked the Stitch one. Yeah, I went to this section, this kind of area next I turned to. Ding, ding.
Do it! I totally knew it.
What's that?
I totally knew it for that one.
You totally knew it. Oh, I didn't pick that. I'm so impressed. Curveball. You're gonna bring that? Oh, I love it. I definitely didn't pick that either. That's so exciting.
I know you're gonna say this though. I know that.
Yeah, I did. Ding, ding, ding. Yep. Yep, I picked that one. Let me see your high heel.
I think you didn't pick this one.
Nope, didn't pick that one. Okay, I'm not as confident with this one, but I think she's gonna bring the axolotl, this little kitty.
This.
Yeah.
Knew it! You!
Nope, didn't pick that. I said that maybe you would bring that one
Oh yeah, I wanted to pick that one. But
You want to do? That would be a good one for the rides.
Yeah.
You want to bring that one?
I want to bring that sweater.
I definitely said that too. I said she's going to want to bring this, but I'm not going to move it because if I move it, she's going to know that I picked it.
So that and that.
So this dress and that. Okay, those would be cute together. This would be cute, this dress with that sweater. Okay, cool.
Hearted and more decorated than
Sure.
this one.
That's cute. Okay.
So this I got from my parade, and he's coming on the trip with us, and I haven't wear it for ages, so I'm bringing this
Perfect.
too.
Great. That'd be a good one. Maybe you could wear this to we're going to the World of Color 1 dessert party. So maybe you could wear this there. Oh, that one you want to wear for the dessert party?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Will characters be there?
Maybe.
And if Minnie's there, she'll be like, it's me!
Probably.
Because they always point at things that when you have them on your clothes or something, or you have it like a stuffy.
Okay, wait, speaking of, I just have something to show you that I got you. I don't...
Yay! I'm bringing
You know, it'd be really cute. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Look how cute that is. How cute. Okay, hold this up. Hold that up. How cute would that look? Yes. You like that? Okay.
Yeah! For sure, because it says Disney.
Love
And
it?
it's fuzzy. For sure this, because I love it. And it's made.
I love it too. That's exactly right. Yeah, I know. Actually, you know, I ordered that on the Disney store online.
I think Ivor was just like 10 months old or something.
Oh yeah, and I have a video of you on Big Thunder Mountain wearing that, right?
That's like really similar to that because they're like nightgowns, but they're like kind of dress vibes. This one's more dress vibes, but this is kind of nightgown vibes. But I love that.
That is so cute. I love the back of that too.
Oh, wait. Can I show them the plain outfit?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna wear this as a sweater,
That's so cute.
and it's like a hoodie. And also, and he totally looks like a puppy when he like that.
That's so cute.
Oh my god.
Oh, I know one thing you probably forgot, or that we both forgot.
Shorts and leggings.
Yeah.
And pants.
Yeah. But that one drawer that you have the stitch leggings, you have the
Yeah,
stitch
yeah,
shorts.
yeah.
I didn't even look in there. That's exactly what I meant. The short, yeah. If I would have opened that drawer, I totally would have picked that.
This is like my favorite thing.
I love it. I think I got you that at Ross in Miami, I think.
Yeah, and it says Stitch.
It's so
and Stitch
cute.
is like climbing over the letters and stuff.
It's so cute.
That one. And they're also fuzzy if you look up close.
Oh yeah. They're so cute.
And one of the parts that I love about it is that there's actually Angel on it. And then there's also this. I like that.
That's so cute.
What? I need to.
Your new sweater.
Yes, I need to. And I'm also wearing
Okay, which
these
stuffy?
pants.
Oh yeah, that's cute. I love those pants. So that's what you're wearing on the plane, the pants?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's perfect.
These pants
Because they're
and
so
that
comfy. Oh yeah, that would be so cute together.
Okay.
And then which stuffies did I think that you would pick?
I think you would.
Yep. The axolotl. And what else do you think that I thought you'd bring? Yeah. Are you gonna bring your Stitch backpack? Yeah, the one that's in your closet?
Yeah, but wait, I just want to add this to the belly.
Oh, will it fit?
Yeah.
Okay.
This to the belly, this to the belly, this to shove into the belly.
Because that axolotl, she has babies.
But I just shoved that one in. Her name is Alex. None of these came with names, so I have not figured out a name for them, so you guys can let me know down in the comments what I should name them.
You're so cute. You're a true YouTuber.
Okay, I'm just gonna rename her.
Okay.
I'm gonna name her Honeys.
Honeys. Oh, that's cute.
Honeys.
It's so cute.
Just-
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, well, I will end this video by saying thanks for watching, and
Don't forget to subscribe. No stopping yet. We're not gonna stop until I pick a blanket.
oh, I know which one that you'll probably pick.
Pick two.
I think you're gonna pick that Stitch one.
Yeah!
I am so excited. Okay.
So one.
Oh, make sure you hit subscribe. Leave us some comments below what you want to see when we're at Disney. We also want to go live, so we want to go live when, like, here on YouTube, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So let us know what you want to see, and we'll see you there.
Wait, I want to pick a couple bows to show them. And this.
Okay, that's now we're getting a little excessive here.
And this bunny and kitty.
Okay. Bye. Bye.